On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens. And now for that lady who likes French fries with her French hen, Teri Bon Appetit Rice.
Yay, let's hear it from my MC. Well, today we're on 3 French hens, and I had got this die from Temu, and it has 2 chickens or 2 hens and a rooster, and since we can, mix it up however we want because there's no wrong way, I decided I would do 2 hens and a rooster. And I know that they're French because this one says bonjour mademoiselles, or how do you say that, MC? Madames. And this one's saying bonjour, and this one's saying bon appetit, because I think this one's going off to eat, maybe with the rooster. So these are what I'm gonna make today, and I think they're so cute. And I'm just gonna put these in the little, I've got the tags, I made the tags, and then I'm just gonna put this in there in case she doesn't want them speaking French. So that way she can do whatever she wants with them. So anyhow, now I need I'm using weathered wood for that edge my tags. Weathered wood is probably the only, no, I have to say, one time I did an album and I used up a whole thing of, what was it? I think linen, antique linen. And then this is the only other one that I've totally used up the whole ink pad. Because until I started doing embellishments all the time, I didn't use them much unless I was actually doing a book or something where I wanted it all antiqued or something. I thought I should turn it a little bit because I thought, I don't think I'd be out of ink yet. Sometimes the ink is, all over the pad and you got to kind of flip it around to get another color, get the color again. Okay. So I did keep in the fashion of these. They just had a little bit different little bands here. And there says, I think it says, from Ostone? I don't know what it says. And, well, it's from Temu, so who knows? Could be a whole other language, but it looks like it said from. Okay, and then I'm using this jute, or whatever it is, because I thought it kind of has that barnyard feeling. Oh, and I want to go this way. Oh, and I left my tape here, even though my things are bigger up here. I can go in a little bit. Okay. Now, Ginger gave us the list of the 12 days of Christmas, but I don't think she really expects us to be able to follow it exactly, because I seen that there are other people doing other things. And I know that I am definitely going to find 1 or 2 that I don't have anything for, and then I'll just use another plan. I know I have a really cute elf that I'm going to stick in someplace where I don't have the theme. But I love doing the theme because I think it would be so fun to do some kind of project with the 12 days of Christmas. Okay, so, and I want to antique these 2, or colorize the edge, whatever you want to call that. Okay. I always called it antiquing because when I first started inking, I did that more than rubber stamp because I'm really into vintage. So I was making antique everything. So these are just going to be put in there, but I wanted to put this on here just in case she decides to use them for this. Then everything's the same color just in case she doesn't have, whoops, just in case she doesn't have weatherwood. Oh, I just can't hold on to them today. Okay, so I'm just going to put those up there. Okay, and then this right here, like where their wing sticks out, I am putting that here. This is the color I usually use when I want to add a little color to the white. And I'm going to do it right here too. And then I've already started to colorize them a little bit, but I'm going to take the red, and where I put yellow on the legs, I'm going to run the red over it too to kind of give it an orange, but I didn't want it so orange like their beak. So I think that's good there. Mine, I started to do the, I used yellow pencil and then I used an orange pen and I didn't like that as good. So I decided I was going to do this because I've done this before, take that color, and I like how that looks better. Okay. And just trying to get that out of my way. Okay, and now my other, looking for orange. And I'm still trying to kick this man voice I got. Okay, so got that. And then I need red for their combs, and I don't know what the little dangly thing is down here. Is that called a gizzard, that thing that hangs off the chicken and rooster? Or what is that? The little flappy thing. That part.
It's called the little flappy thing, mistress.
Okay. Good, that's what I thought. Don't you love all our technical information that we have on chickens and stuff? I'll have to ask my friend. I'm sure she knows everything about chickens. Am I still on the screen? Yeah, but I'm probably got my hand over the page, over the little chicken and rooster. Okay. And then I'm gonna just dot their eye. Okay. And then I'm gonna, just in case she wants to put this here, I'm gonna put my label right there before I glue on, tape on my rooster and my chickens. Oh, I got a little extra piece of paper there. Okay, and then I'll do the same thing at the next one. And I've got a little piece of paper there too. Isn't that funny? Okay, now this one. I still, like to tape rather than glue. I know Ginger, sometimes she will pull something apart to use it in a different way. And she always says, once you have it, it's yours. So it's like that makes it easier if you decide you want to use it in a different way than what I've used it. Okay, so this is what my partner will get. She'll get the 3 tags with 2 chickens and a rooster, and then she'll get the little things that she can write something on them or whatever she wants to do with them. So that's it for today, and I will put photos at the end, and also there will be a drop-down menu of everybody else who's doing the 12 days of Christmas. So have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow where we're doing day 4, which I'm going to have to figure out what it is. So have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.